Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix wrong battery percentage on your iPhone. For example, if you are seeing that your iPhone is showing you the wrong battery percentage every time, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply drain all of your battery, and after that you have to charge it to 100%, and after charging it to 100% you can simply check whether your calibration is showing correct. So if you want to check your battery calibration, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to battery, and here you can simply check your battery level and calibration, and you can simply check whether your battery percentage or calibration are showing well or not. So if you are up to the mark, then well and good. But if you are not showing correct result, then you have to simply restart your device first of all, and after restarting you have to charge your iPhone 100%, and after charging to 100% your battery calibration will be reset, so you can simply check for your battery percentage whether they are showing correct percentage or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to go to the battery, and you have to check your battery health, and if it is below the than 80%, then you have to simply replace your battery, because lower than 80%, which means your battery health is not enough to support your device, so you have to make sure about that. But if your battery health is more than 80 and you are facing the problem still there, then you can simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution. If the problem is still there, then you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion, and you have to check what are the solution there, and after that you can simply apply these solutions on your device so that your problem can be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.